Oh my gosh. Okay.
Vacuum. Dude, there should be a vacuum right here. There should be a vacuum right here. The game's glitched. Oh, there it is.
Where?
Get on the top.
What do I do? Hey, I wasn't ready.
Yeah,
What do I do?
Don't suck me up. Don't suck me up. Don't suck me up.
What am I doing?
Suck up the little things. Suck up the things, dude. Why is it?
I tried to.
Yeah.
It didn't work. Oh no. Okay.
You have to do it when it comes back up. You have to do it ASAP. Come back to the vacuum. Come back to the vacuum fast. And I'm gonna shoot him. Suck up the little things.
Oh. I can't. Did it work? Oh, I went to jump. Okay, I play Mario, so I know how to do this part. Okay. Okay, it's getting easier. Okay, I'm going. Come on, I'm here.
At the bottom.
Are you ready? Let's do this.
Do it.
Don't stop! That burns!
Keep it going!
Okay.
Oh,
So, what? What are those? What?
don't step on them. They're mines.
Oh. Okay. Dash around.
No way. I know.
Just double jump and dash.
Get on the thing. No, dude. Oh, I'm not gonna make it in time. No! I didn't make it in time.
Left this on the floor!
What is it? What?
What's in there?
It helps if you like double jump and dash and stuff, you know?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, run over here. I can reach them. Ready?
Yeah, go.
That's all I can get.
Boom.
That worked.
Oh, I thought he died. Oh, balls. He hit me out of the... I died.
Oh, I
He hit me out
died.
of the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully we don't start... Actually, start from the beginning to be good.
Yeah. I gotta turn you up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's try this again, you guys. So, come over here.
I
Wait,
died.
why are you not moving? I can't do this by myself.
Coming back. Respawn. Boom. Get it. Put it.
Don't stop! That burns!
Okay, we got 2 on him.
See how when you jump!
Oh no! Okay, I got this. That double jump definitely does help.
Suck on this!
Okay, ready?
Go.
Waste them! Wait for me, Cody!
Yeah!
Wait for this!
Okay, we got this.
French! You do this!
The mines.
Oh!
I've broken that in a flash!
Press triangle a bunch.
I
Spam
died by
triangle.
accident. I died. Yeah. Okay, I'm back.
Puny dog!
Oh no!
Stop burning!
Over here. Yeah. See, you already know. Okay. Come when you're ready.
How do you like that, dustbag?
Dust bag.
Die under his
Oh my goodness. This is actually really scary. Okay, I'm up here.
All that dust for you!
Oh no, I'm not supposed to be up here. No, what am I doing? Oh man.
Oh.
Look at his health though.
Balls. Oh, fucking... Dude.
Oh, it's getting harder. Oh my
Well,
god.
why did you die, bro?
I didn't mean to. Why did you die?
Do it to the sides, not in front of the vacuum. Do it to the sides. Alright, go.
Okay, we did it. Okay.
You win!
Dash.
How Time to finish this.
So,
You're
point it at
pointing
him.
us the wrong way.
He's literally killing himself. We're gonna suck his eyeballs out. Oh my god.
This is too much.
Kind
Are we
of.
supposed to be?
Trying to kill us.
No! What the?
Sorry,
Oh my goodness! Ah!
Jesus Christ. We killed somebody. We literally just killed somebody. This is murder.
Murderers. We're gonna go to jail. Stop the recording. That was hard. That was harder than it needed to be. Okay.
Damn vacuum. Come on, we have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows
Where
what's
would she
happened to
go?
us.
Well, she must know something.
I have
She
no
made
idea.
these dolls.
Inside the house.
She made these?
Yeah,
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
I don't.
Why didn't you tell me
I'm sorry.
about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her.
All right, let's find
Where are
Rose.
we?
Oh, crouch.
You should know. You use this place.
I haven't been in here for ages.
What are you doing?
Plus, everything looks different.
Yeah, it's like some twisted version of reality.
Why are you going so fast? I kind of want to enjoy the game. I don't want to speedrun it. How do you get up there?
Speedrun.
How do you get up there?
You double jump onto the surface. So you double jump and dash, and then when you stick to the surface, you double jump again. And then just jump up. But you got it too low.
Man, okay, I don't know how to. Okay,
Go. Jump on it.
and then
And then jump high. Aim high on the little thing right there. Yes.
oh, okay, that was hard. Okay.
We just destroyed a garage and she didn't even notice.
Rose! Honey! Rose! She can't hear us.
No. Their voices are too tiny.
How are we gonna get over there now?
Double jump and dash. No.
Who's that?
Who was it?
I don't know.
Over here!
Elephant?
I know the way.
Oh, it's a hammer.
It looks like a flashlight.
If you
Oh,
want to
it's
save
a
your
hammerhead.
friends.
What
We're gonna have to fight him since he doesn't have a body.
We used to be important and taken care
I
of.
don't know.
That human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
I mean May's toolbox.
Yes, yes! That heartless woman. Do you know her?
Well, yeah.
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for her hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust? It's like burning alive, slowly.
But look, Hammer.
Oh my
Some
god.
rust remover spray in that tool cabinet. We can help save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose over there.
Okay, it's a deal. Pick me up.
Okay?
Now go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need
Is
it.
he finessing them
Hey,
or is he
guys.
actually helping them?
Whoa!
Okay.
Where'd it go?
Well,
Just whistle.
What? Really?
you just have him on your back now.
What?
Wow.
Cool. We got a
Why is-
fine nail.
And I have a
top
nail.
hammer. Let's go. That's all right.
What?
Looks like we're about to fuck some shit up. Ooh, I got ammo?
Take that
Shit.
nail, Cody. I don't want it in my hand.
I did as did.
Oh my
Drop
god.
that hammer on my toe.
Pick
Don't
this up.
worry, I know how to handle tools.
Yeah. What do I do?
Last
I'm literally
time you
Thor.
used a hammer, you smashed
Look at
your
this
own
shit.
thumb.
Yeah, well,
I don't know, aim that shit at something.
but I'm in charge of the nail.
If you're Thor,
Okay,
then who am I?
Just be careful.
Go with the big ass hammer? Oh, only you can break jars.
Yeah. Oh, I can't break these.
This is
I
so
need that
satisfying.
one. No, don't say that.
Smash that.
Oh my god. I was almost standing on it. Okay.
Ooh, I got it. You smash it, smash it.
Ready? Go.
Go.
And then what do I do?
You have to come over here to get the nail. Never mind, smash it again.
Wait, what?
Actually, I don't know. Cause there's a nail right here, and you're supposed to. I don't know what to do right here.
Oh, don't stand on it, Kai.
What am I supposed to shoot?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is, motherfucker.
Wait,
I missed.
you missed? Okay, Thor, don't miss again. You got it.
Bro, they don't even like. They don't fucking. They don't do shit.
Okay, so then what do I do?
What the fuck?
You can't.
This doesn't make
You
sense.
can't come over and ground pound the. Oh, I guess you wouldn't be able to ground pound the button because you can't stand on it. That just does not make any sense. Okay, there has to be something else over there. Can you keep looking? Oh. No. What the?
Oh, I'm a god. I'm a god. I'm an actual god.
I
See,
do
I'm
that?
actually Thor.
Can I do that? What did you?
Go for it. I just double jumped and dashed twice. I didn't even need the thing. Can I do it again?
No. I think that was just luck.
No, it
I
wasn't.
think it was just luck.
No, it wasn't.
How do you do that?
Maybe you try to get on here?
No, just keep looking around. There's gotta be something else.
What do we
What is
meant to
this?
do?
What is this yellow square? You see it?
What yellow
Yellow
square? You're supposed
square.
to, if there's a nail in there, you hammer that shit.
Put a nail in there.
But you only pull shit out. You don't.
Put another one.
I only have one.
You only have one?
Yes.
I had like three.
I only got one.
Oh, I made it like.
I only
I
got
thought
one.
you had three. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, do it again. 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 Hammer it.
Oh.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, I get it.
I get it now.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah. Boom.
Okay, let's go. We did it! Yay! Oh my lord. Okay, well I did it. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, maybe we can swing off that nail.
Swing off that nail.
Good job. What? Oh, that's you thing.
Oh, I have to hammer it?
No, you swing off it. Jump at it and do something.
Steady now.
Oh, okay.
I like your style, man.
Oh, thanks, Hannah.
Oh, and then you get that moving. Actually, hold on. Let me throw my
Yeah,
nail.
okay, I get it now. Okay. Look at me go! No! That was close. That was too close. Part 3, find Cody. Hi, Cody. Why does it?
There's a nail right
why is it
there.
telling
I
me-
threw my
yeah,
nail.
but why is it telling me to find you?
Just if you can't see me, I guess.
There's another nail. Let's go get it.
Yoo-hoo! I'm still over here. Hello?
Yes.
The bridge, please.
Yeah, the bridge, please, on the way.
That?
More ammunition.
Yeah, hit it again.
Come on, come on!
Oh, hey.
I'm so sorry, Hammer. I had to.
I go on the other
You
side.
ready? What does this do?
Ooh, watch out.
Wait,
Okay, go for it.
what?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
That kind of doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Am I supposed to nail them?
I don't know, let me try.
Hit one and see if I'm supposed to nail it.
Yeah, underneath it. Underneath it. You gotta come over here. Come over here.
Underneath?
Yeah, that's why you got another nail. You see underneath the circle?
Oh, word. Yeah, go for it.
You're a moron. Come on.
It called both of them back.
Yeah, because you have to hit them. You have to use them both. Ready?
Oh, these motherfuckers are like crooked and shit. Alright, go for it.
Go.
Boom, dude. What I tell you, dude? I'm a fucking god. What the fuck?
Oh, shoot. Okay.
That's fucking
I'll wait
bullshit.
for you. Oh,
Where's my other nail?
okay. Come on, Thor. Ooh.
Thor and fucking Whoever the fuck has a big ass hammerhead. Morty from Rick and Morty.
Oh, what now?
The Book of Love.
Without challenges. Challenges.
Kind of sounds like Nacho Libre.
Is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone?
Whoa! When you're willing to face a challenge, you always learn something new. So remember, when you hear this sound, follow it. Keep following it, and you will find the challenge you seek.
Challenge seek?
Welcome to your first couples challenge.
It's gonna be
Win
too hard.
or lose, you must do it together.
Book of Love.
Okay, let's try to win.
Oh, I guess we're gonna have to. All right, you want to give it a try?
We haven't got time.
You know who you're
for
talking
this.
to? Let's try to win.
Me?
I'm the CEO of winning.
What is holding that hammer? It's
Bring it.
magic.
Magic.
I was just
It's a magic hammerhead.
whack a Cody? What?
Oh shit. Score by staying up, avoid getting hit. Oh, that's fire.
Oh, you won't beat me. I'm faster.
Oh my god!
Hammer's faster than that.
Let's see, what are the controls?
Go down!
Come on.
Found it.
Oh!
Slow.
Oh my god. This is so hard. Oh my, why are you upside down?
Got this.
Oh wait, dude.
I'm honestly just trigger happy. That's what's happening right now.
No way, dude.
Bro.
Get into it.
Dude, I swear to God, you did not hit me.
What is going on? Okay. Are you give up? Ah!
No props.
Oh my gosh! Good job. That was a lot of
I'll
fun.
beat you next
Get
time.
bugged. Get bugged.
Hey!
Totally didn't win that though, but.
That's mean. I said good game, and you told me to get fucked.
We
Really?
are the champions, my friends. Are there more games? And we
Ah, the
keep
sweet
on
sounds of
fighting.
machinery. There's nothing better.
You're supposed to be waiting for me. It takes two.
You're supposed to swing up there. You're supposed to swing up there.
Where? Oh,
Up there where I'm throwing my nails.
okay, not yet.
We are the champions.
Hold on tight.
Oh! Why would you?
What? Why would it recall that one? I was trying to recall the other one.
Leave him.
I'm trying to get ahead of the game.
No. Please. Hey. Can I drop down?
Oh,
There's another machine in the way.
no. Oh yeah, hammer that. No, you weren't supposed to drop down. You're supposed to stay up there so that I can hammer this. I mean, I can nail this to the wood.
Nail it to the. Wait.
Look for a button to hit.
Are you sure?
Yes. Well, how else am I supposed to get over there? This is
Nothing.
invisible glass.
Yeah, I think this
I'm
is
saying.
where we're supposed to go. Wait, don't.
Oh, hit it. Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, and then. There's something behind us. There's that thing behind us. I don't know where the.
Boom.
What is that behind us?
Go on
What
there.
is that over there?
It's a wheel. Go.
I missed it. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Shoot. Okay, let's try this one more time. Oh my god!
Eat my alarm clock. My alarm clock didn't sound. Hold up, I'll put it closer to you.
I don't. Okay. I keep missing it. Okay. There we go. Okay. What is that? Are we still in the garage? What is all this? My garage looked nothing like this when I had one.
Garage.
Yeah.
Oh god, okay, okay.
Don't screw this up.
Hold up, I got you. Hold up, hold up,
Just
hold up.
get to jumping.
Don't jump on it yet.
Okay, wait. Call your thing when it goes up, okay? Call it, call it, call it, call it, call it, call it, call it. No, it's too late. I'm gonna die. It's too late. I'm gonna die. Okay. Okay. Oh my god.
After me.
Okay, and then, okay. What?
Oh, look. I don't know.
Oh, can I not get up there?
You
Am
can.
I just not, wait.
You're taking hella.
Okay. So what do I do now? Oh!
Nice one.
Okay. Okay, got it now.
You
Oh,
took
no!
okay?
I'm an actual moron.
You're bad.
Okay, now what? I don't wanna... Yeah, I'm so... Oh man, I went in. Okay, so... Can I not jump on the circles? Is that not a... No, I can't. Okay.
Oh, because I think I might have to. I might have to stop it. Hold
Oh,
up.
you gotta... Oh, you gotta put nails there. Okay, duh.
Go for it.
Okay. And I think I can just... Okay. Okay, I did it. I'm so sorry that took so long.
I died.
You died. Okay. Ready?
Found me.
No.
One more nail.
Oh.
Sliding
Hands up,
saw
Cody.
blades?
Holy balls. Oh, I got a third nail. Let's get it.
That makes 3.
That makes 3. Oh my god, don't die. Oh, do I have to go up there?
Gonna need a boost, man.
Oh.
Okay. What do I do?
I don't know. Not that.
This is all I can do. Oh, I know what you have to do. Run with it. Okay, ready? Go, 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 go. Oh!
Look at him fly.
Yeah. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. Hit it.
Okay, nice. I was just watching you. Alright. Alrighty.
Oh, great. Another trust exercise.
Yo.
What?
I trust
Think
you,
I'm gonna
Cody.
miss?
I hope not.
I'm a moron.
Oh, whoops.
No! No!
Oh, I called the wrong one.
Okay, ready? Go, let's do this. Goes nothing. Okay. Wait, wait! No, 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 no. Bring that back. Bring that back. One of them. Yeah, that one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go and then do the second one, not the first one. The second one. The second one. No, 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 no. Go left, left. That one. Okay, and then when I jump, and then do the first one. Does that make sense? Okay, ready? Go. Oh, no!
Oh, the first. Yeah, I get it now.
You ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now let it. Bring it. No, no, bring it. Come on. Oh, I missed it. When I get.
You're bad.
Shut up! You're the one who's supposed to be helping me. When I get to the top, the first one, you know, the one on the right. Ready?
I go for it. Yeah, I know.
Okay. There you go. The first one. Okay.
And what now?
Probably no, no. Over to the right.
Okay, jump up. Jump.
The
Double
right?
jump up.
Oh, can I not get?
The
Can I
right.
not get- I can't
Double
make
jump
that
up.
key.
Double jump up.
No, I can't.
You can't. Then how
No,
the
no, no! Oh my god. I don't think it's.
Let me see.
You can't. I can't make that jump, can I? No, I can't. It's too. Oh, oh, the wall on the left. Yeah. And then the one above me. The
Go
one
for it.
above me.
Go for it. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Jump. Try to jump higher.
No, just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Put it back. Put it back. Okay. Oh, I can't. Why can't I jump any higher? There we go. Okay. Nice. Okay. Thank
So-
you. Okay. Nice. You can take the one from the wall, I think. I don't think I need it anymore. Okay.
You know, you two have pretty good teamwork.
Yeah, I just suck at this
About
game.
that?
Yeah. Now come and get the bottles.
I jump down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Thanks.
Sure.
Okay. And there's nothing over here? Oh, there is. Okay.
Why can't super nails beat that?
What'd you say?
All right, mate, bring the hammer.
Why
in
can't
here.
like we beat it with super nails? ASAP
I'm
triangle.
asking what you said.
Like why can't we beat it with like super
I'm-
nails? Like, why can't I hit bottles with super nails? Like
What is going on? Oh.
Get up, hurry.
that ugly piece of shit woke up.
We have to catch the toolbox. Okay. What do we-